Hi guys, welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, of course, or maybe Hong Kong time, Beijing time, we are going to share with you one very potential market instrument that is going to carry a lot of positive price movement for the week. Alright, and this price counter, it could be a stock, it could be an ETF, it could be a forex, or it could be just anything that comes from any exchanges around the world. So Monday morning, regardless what you're doing at 9 a.m. Singapore time, remember to log on and watch us. Continue to share this video, subscribe to us. Alright, share, and hopefully we are all on the highway to happiness and wealth. OTOP is right here waiting for you, and I will be right back.
Hi, welcome everyone. Thank you for coming back to OTOP 49, and this is for the date 12 July year 2021. We are now moving into the second semester of year 2021, and there will be a lot of exciting market events coming our way. So stay tuned with us on every Monday morning 9 a.m. Singapore time, and for today we are going to just take you about 10 minutes, alright, and that is all the time you want to spend with us, and we shall share with you one very interesting counter that could be arising your interest. So stay tuned with us. Right, first of all, let us do a small recap on what happened on last Friday closing in the US market. As you can see here, all the US triple indexes were settled at a record fresh high on last Friday, okay, and that is on the 9th of July year 2021. As you can see here, Dow Jones settled at a price of 34,870, and S&P 500 closed at 4,369, and Nasdaq Composite settled at 14,701. All the triple indexes were all on new high. Why? Alright, because stay tuned and keep observing for the next 2 to 3 weeks, because from now moving until the first week of August, we are going to see and we're going to receive a lot of earnings reports from the large company in US market. When we say large companies, and that certainly means all the component stocks that are found in Dow Jones, in Nasdaq, and in S&P. So if you have been following OTOP for past months, alright, I suggest you do some homework, go into Vanguard stocks, which is what I meant was the Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, Tesla, Microsoft. All these, you might be able to find some very interesting stock counter that it could be bringing some profits to you. And of course, like all the major banks, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo Bank, Goldman Sachs. Alright, so but today, okay, we all know that the triple indexes will continue to move up high for the next 2 weeks. But this week, for 12 July year 2021, we're going to bring you back into Hong Kong market and share with you one very interesting counter. Are you ready? If you are, there we go. Alright, so first of all, let us take a look at the gold prices here. Okay, as you can see on the spot gold prices on the day chart here, market is doing a triple convergence on the EMA, which stands for the exponential moving average line on 4 days, 20 days, and 200 days. But then again, will the market immediately do a spike up or spike down? We certainly don't think so, but it's going to take another perhaps 1 week to do some consolidations. Alright, so this week gold prices basically we're expecting the market trend to go sideways, perhaps from 1790 to 1820 US dollar per ounce. But then again, despite the consolidation, we are still expecting gold prices to be firming up very soon based on this pattern. And the reason for pushing the gold price higher, alright, let us take a look at the US dollar index, and that could be one good reason that you should be looking at gold. Okay, as we know, US dollar and gold prices move inversely to each other. Alright, on gold, prices going up, dollar index will be winding down. So this is the dollar index on the day chart that you are seeing here. All right, last week we had already seen the dollar index reaching a pretty strong resistance here on the screen, 92.7, or generally we say that dollar index is pretty resilient on the top side, 93. So with last Thursday and Friday turning down on the US dollar index, all right, this week we foresee that the dollar index, it could be submerging lower, perhaps back to 91.5, and that gives a very good reason for the yellow metal to consolidate and gather more strength in moving up. So does that make sense to you? Okay, since gold prices will be on the buy side and more prone to moving up, this week we want to share with you one Hong Kong stock with stock code 0347. Okay, yes, and this is the Ankang Steel. Okay, Ankang Steel, and the stock code is 0347, and this is a China state enterprise company, all right, which is listed both in Shanghai market as well as in Hong Kong market. So let's take a look at the Hong Kong stocks on the 0347. As you can see here, all right, the market has been going sideways, consolidating for last 2 months starting from May. Okay, but it has not gone down and having a very strong support, all right, in this region of about $4.60 Hong Kong dollars. And most importantly, on last Friday closing on the day chart here, we are seeing a converging and a potential crossing up of EMA 4 and 20, as well as the momentum is very prone to burst. Okay, moving to a 4-hour time scale, all right, it gives us even a better confirmation, okay, on what we are seeing here, okay, within the channel, and most likely the concurrence, okay, the confluent gathering strength on the day chart and 4-hour chart in 0347, as you can see here, will be very potential to push the market up, especially when we are expecting the impending bullish trend in the spot gold market. All right, so if you happen to find an entry in 0347 on Monday, all right, which is today, 21st July year 2021, all right, you got your stops well at $4.50, and of course the high side we are looking at, the first target could be anywhere at $5.50 or even higher. All right, but then again, I would think if gold prices remain bullish for the next 1, 2, or 3 months, Ankang still has got a lot of potential to move on the top side. Okay, besides the Hong Kong stocks, let's take a look at this similar stock which is based in China. Well, I'm sorry, it's listed in Shenzhen and not Shanghai. All right, in Shenzhen, Ankang Steel stock code is 0898. All right, Ankang Steel. Let's take a look at what happens now in Shenzhen. And last Friday, the market actually closed up with the upsurge. All right, at the it's a Class A shares. All right, in Shenzhen, and the price settlement was at Chinese yuan $4.39, with a simultaneous momentum which is very strong at the bottom. And look at the 4 hours chart, we have got no doubt that well, they are supporting on a very strong base and could be preparing to move up. So Ankang Steel on both Shenzhen A stock and the Hong Kong are both pointing on a northern direction. So this week, OTOP 49 is what we're going to bring you, and we hope you take a close look at this counter, and definitely we wish you all the best, and this could bring you some good luck and some profits in the pocket. Stay tuned with us and come back, so next week we shall move into the OTOP 50 episode. Thank you very much, and I shall be back.